Some stocks on the move. There's a bit of traction on Jet Airways. REC is finding takers. It's about a 2.5% up move on that one. And Max India, which is, of course, the deal-bound stock with the hospitals deal sort of announced and underway. That's also a stock which is up 5.5% as we speak today. So lots of buying coming through. On that note, let's get you some trading ideas. On the F&O side of the market, we have CA Rudramurthy joining in from Vachna Investments. Rudramurthy, good to have you on the show. What are your top trades as you're looking at the weekly bank options expiry?
See, first of all, I feel having seen Hang Seng opened very big and now trading negative, and also even Dow futures turning negative, I feel market will definitely correct in the second half. So those who are trading for expiry, I feel Bank Nifty future can come down at least 200 points from current level. So I'm looking at targets of 26,800 on Bank Nifty future, but stop loss is very much required at 27,100 level. And similarly, Nifty future, I feel it can come down till levels of 10,700, and I'll be keeping day high as stop loss, and definitely seeing signs of fatigue and reversal. And all those who are already long for last 2-3 days will see profit booking, and that should take markets down. Bank Nifty put options can also be bought. Currently 27,100 or 27,200 puts can be bought, and calls can also be sold by option writers. If this is my expiry view when it comes to stock-specific call, I'm looking at shorting Yes Bank positionally for the next month series in futures, looking at target of 170 with a stop loss of 185, looking at even selling DHFL, already enough move has come, and fundamentally the news on NBFC is already out. So looking at selling DHFL at these levels, target of 220 with stop loss of 250. And last sell call on India Bull Housing Finance. Again, next month contract I'll be selling for a target of 770 with a stop loss of 880.
Okay. All right, Rudramurthy, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and taking us through all of those strategies. Well, for the Nifty holding at 10,800, we have a lot of stocks which are buzzing around within the mid-cap space, which has in fact picked up pace. So the mid-cap index itself is up around 0.4%. We have a lot of the PSU banks which are really the toast of today. So Bank of Maharashtra up around 7.8%, Central Bank of India up 5.7%. Watch out for Max India because that one is now making a move. So it's up around 6% odd. Remember that deal with Radiant was announced on Friday itself. So that stock is making some amount of a move above its 200-day moving average as we speak. So a lot going on, but with that, we also have to wrap up trading hours. Stay tuned. Halftime report will take all the action forward. Stay tuned.